Hello again and welcome back to a quickie video. I made myself a business tray, as you can see there, so it has my name, Messing with Resin, and my website to put in my TikTok videos. And I'm going to be making a shell. You can see the mould there. It's a gorgeous trinket tray, and I'm using this gorgeous pinky rose gold foil. So I mixed up my clear resin. I added lots and lots of foil to it. You can see it looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just going to pour that in and use the lolly stick to help get it into place. Because as you can see, hopefully, as I pour it, this is not a flat mould. And you can see there the resin needs to go under that lip and down to the bottom. So as you can see there, I'm just using the lolly stick to try and manipulate and move that resin into place. And I'll be adding more resin as I go along, as you'll see as you watch. So we add a tiny bit more. Don't want to overflow it because I'm not sure if it would all run or overflow. So I'm just doing it this way. You can see there, slidey with the lolly stick, and add a bit more. I actually didn't make enough when I was filming this video, so off camera I mixed up a little bit more, added some more foil and just topped it up. But it was basically just to top it up. I didn't have to use the lolly stick to put the like move the resin into any kind of place. You can still see there's a bit of white there, there's still some gap there. But while I'm doing this, going back to that business tray, if you would like one made for your small business, I will put all the information on how you can contact me in the description box below. And if you like this trinket tray, it will be available on my website very soon, if not already, because I may have already published it before I actually publish this video. So everything you need, all the links and whatnot and contact details will be in the description box below for you. So you can see now I have added all of that resin in that cup. It's all in place. Just make sure that I'm moving any of those pesky air bubbles that might want to be trapped in any of those corners or edges. I will spritz with isopropyl alcohol because of the style of the mould. My clicky lighter is not really going to touch much apart from the top. And then, like I said, off camera I made a bit more just to fill up the mould. And if you keep watching, you can see me very trickily unmould this item. And it is tricky because of the style of the mould. And I possibly ended up making a little bit extra too much resin. And with long nails, it was extremely tricky because I don't want to put my nails under and ping a nail through and make a hole in the mould. So you can watch me struggle for a bit. Can see that I've got my thumb under it and trying to flip it over that edge. Apologies for going out of view because it was just a struggle, and you know, trying to keep it in camera view was a bit hard. So then we got an idea of to use the lolly stick and slide that round. So if you can see, as I slide it round, it releases it from sticking to the actual finished piece. Then I gently used the lolly stick to make enough room for me to get, come on, yee, almost, we are almost there, bear with me, it will be coming out of this very soon. I say it's a super tricky one. There we go. So we've flipped it over. Once you get one bit over, it's easy just to follow through with the rest of the mould, gently peeling it over, and it's so good that silicone stretches. And we're almost out of the mould, and ping ping, and there it is, one gorgeous shell trinket tray. So I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.